Hello everyone, now let's continue to modeling steel connection. I want to turn off the layer of the rock cladding. Click on the home and select the rock cladding. Turn the layer off. Okay, start from the column beam connection. Now I start from the location here. Click on the advanced steel tool template to show the template. Your object is 10 steel connection ball. Click on this one, expand it. We can start from the base plate or the steel connection between the column and the raster. Now I start from the base plate first. Click on the base plate. Click on the column. As you want to attach with the concrete or not, I keep it not, use no or tie and enter. Change the property, the base plate thickness. I just tie it at 25 or 20 millimeter, and you use the direction by column and the column shortening. Okay, we use the column shortening by this plate thickness and the base plate dimension. You can extend it in both directions, 76.2, or you can change it to 20 or 30 or 50. You can tie here. If you don't want to extend it, it's the same. You can untick and change it individually, depend on direction 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can check the direction. Now I keep it the same, 50. And the plate corner anchor hole, we can change the anchor type by select where this one, grain anchor. Yes, now we use the German G anchor bowl, and for the grade you can use other grade. Now I use 4.6, and diameter of bowl I keep it 20. Okay, change the anchor length 345. Now the number of ball you keep it 4, correct? The internal distance now I use only 250. Anchor parallel web now I use only 100. Okay, you can check 100. Or 120. You can change it to 150. Okay, this one. Anchor parallel you can change. Now I keep it, and well you can change the thickness. Now I keep it 8. Use the fillet well, and stiff plate you can use stiffener. We add the level plate or thin plate or C anchor. No, we do not use the shear. You can change the bow grade if you want to receive the high shear strength. The C anchor, web stiffener. Now you can use both sides. Okay, both sides. Okay, at the corner, and you can change other parameter like the plate thickness. I keep it only 10. Chamfer you can change it. Sorry, I use it straight. And the flank stiffener we use both sides. Okay, we use the same. And the thickness is 10. The well thickness you can change it to 8 or 10. This is the create thickness outside. No, we do not use this one. We use only the flank and the web stiffener. And for other stiffener, you can change here. Okay, flank stiffener, you can enable and pause. No, I want to keep it none. With those stiffener, you can add more, add this direction. Hold. Okay, we add that. Now complete for this base plate. You can use higher bolt strength. You can check double click on this watch and come back to the anchor, and you can use other material. Okay, right click and select on the propagate joint. Okay, this one apply for the same property of the column. For the column, the section are the same with the soft column. The joint will be automatically copy, and you cannot delete change this joint. You can check the parameter only change for the source joint. This is the source joint. Okay, you can change here. Now let me change this joint thickness. Now I change the plate to 100, and you will see the other joint also change. Yeah, you see here. Now I keep it the same. Come back 20 millimeter. Okay. Now I want to create a new open copy from this column to other column, other post, and I will separate it from the group. Add one tool and click on this one, and you can create a group in a joint group or for the multi-group. Okay, now I just use this one. Click, right click, select on the post and click on no. You see here the same concept apply for the column. Yeah, this column, and you can check. Do you want to separate it? If you want to use the same with this group, you can keep it no. If you want to separate in other group, you can click it yes. Okay, now I want to separate use it differently, so you can use yes to separate it. Okay, now I want to separate it. And double click and change the base plate. I change it to 200 only. Okay, you see when you change this connection, the connection is not changed because we separate it in two different groups. Now right click, select, right click, escape, click on the botch, over click on the botch, right click, propagate joint. Okay, you see here this joint also generated. Now for this column we use the same concept. We can copy it by copy this one, click on the click on the botch, right click, click on the column, you know. Okay, do you want to separate it? Yes, I want to separate it. Double click and change the spacing. Now we want to change the spacing to 120. Okay, zoom in. Now I want to use only 100. and this spacing I want to use only 80. Okay, now you see everything is working fine. Close. Click on the watch, right click, propagate join again. Okay. If you want to turn off the watch, you can select and turn off the connection watch layer. Now we complete for the base joint. Continue to the column beam joint. Now I click this one. Connection wall, expand it, and use this connection knee or frame. Click on the column, right click, click on the beam, right click. Click on the general. We use the profile or use the plate. If we use the profile, we use the same profile as about the raster. You can click here, use the profile, and keep the same section as the raster. In the case I do not use the same, so you can use the plate. Okay, the plate, and try it manually the thickness and the height of this plate. Came to the tool, you see here the high or raster bottom tool. Now I tie it only 300, and the length of this hole should be 5% or 10% of the width of the bottom frame. Width of the bottom frame is 20 meter, so 10% is 2 meter, 5% is 1 meter, so at least 1,000 meter. Now I use 1,400 millimeter is okay. And the corner finishing chamfer, you can check here. This one, the corner, you can change. The corner 2, corner 3, okay. Now I just keep it 0. Okay, 0. And the thickness we keep it 10. The flame you can change it. Now I keep it 10 the same. And the flame width, okay, you see here the flame width, you can change it custom 150 or the same with the raster. Okay, you see here. Now I want to keep it 190. Additional plate, no, we do not use additional plate. Additional raster, yes, we add additional raster. And the section, now I use now I want to check the section. Sorry, we use IPE, so I want to use the same section here. Click on, you have to show the watch connection. Where it is connection bot, turn on the laser, you saw here. Okay, double click on it. General, additional raster. Now you have to change it to the IPE section. All. Now I use the section 180 for this overhang beam, and you use slope, you can use horizontal. Okay, or slope, I use slope. The length is 10, is 500. You can check here 500, or you can add 300. Okay, turn on the laser rods or cladding to check. Cladding. Okay, This one is okay, we add only 300. Now I turn it off again. For the cladding, click on cladding. Double click on Bosch again. General, on plate, additional raster, we use the section IPE 400, slope, okay, earn plate. Now I change earn plate 25mm projection, and at the top, you see here at the top, now I want to extend at the top 120, and at the bottom you can use it 5, keep it in the default. Okay, and cap plate you can use horizontal or you it incline, and the plate thickness at the top 15, and the plate width we use 190 gap, the construction gap 5mm. You can use the continuous column, click column is extension, you can change it. Don't worry about this Purlin, we will update the spacing again. Now come back and check for this board connection. The bolt diameter I use 20, and the bolt grade you can change it. Now I use the bolt grade okay, I use bolt grade 5.6, and the bolt diameter I use 20. Number bolt per side we use 1, and bolt group there are only 2 group. For the group 1 I use only 1, and the start distance I use 60 at the top here, and at the group I type it 4, and the start 120, the distance, internal distance I keep it 70. Okay, now let's check. So at the group 1 we use 80. Okay, perfect, 80. So this one I use 100, and for the group 3 group 3 use 2 bolt, and the distance we use 400, and the internal distance we use 70. So I shoot it to 360, 340. Yes, it's working correctly. You can change the distance to here, the distance to $80. Okay, perfect. bowl group structural well, you can change it. Now you can change to 10 and change other parameter. I want to keep it all 6666. You can check here. Additional well, reinforcing bowl. You can use slot, stiffener. For the stiffener one, you can change it to the full. You see here, this is the stiffener one. Stiffener 1 and the stiffener 2 we use the full. Stiffener 3 we use the full. Okay, and you can check and update with the design connection. I just input here full. You can optimize the steel connection and the plate thickness 10. And for the stiffener 4, we also use full. You see here at the end of hole, the stiffener we use in both directions or both sides. Okay, correct. Now we complete for this connection. Chamfer, you can change chamfer. The ball web, you can add it. No, I do not use it because we use the stiffener already. Update it. Okay, now we complete. Close. Click on this spot. Right click. Propagate join. Okay, and the joint also update and automatically assign you the source joint here, so you can only update this joint and the joint will be updated. This is the fast way we can use in the Autodesk Advanced 2025. Now come back, I will correct this raster. Double click on this box. Check on the Purlin. I'm sorry, it called Purlin, not raster. We change the Purlin and the left side. Okay, alright. You can change the earn stand. The last one we can change it to 1000. Okay, now is the update. Okay, correct. And for this one you can copy it, or you can yes, you can copy to other side. Now let's check it working correctly. So I will show you how you can copy it to the overhang. Close here and turn off the connection. Now I want to change the UCS. Click on the Advanced tool and click on the UCS 3 point. I want to change it by using the 2D wireframe and click on this one. We change the working plan. Sorry. No. 3.6 between 2 points. Click. No, it's not correct, so we have to change it again. Delete this one. Again. Okay, be correct right now, and select this Purlin. Now you can use on the back. Okay, select this one and use the copy command in the advanced palette. Copy, click one, okay, you can tie it. Now I just click, and now we have to tie it again. One, and I tie it 1000. No, we use only 700 millimeter. Copy. Now I want to use 8 again. Okay, 800. Yes, it working perfectly. Come back, or you can move it. $100. Okay, for this one we apply the same concept. We change the UCS. Now I want to use the UCS. Click 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it correctly. So you come back. Okay, now select this one and copy it to 700 millimeter. Enter. Okay, use the global UCS. Come back, click on this one, escape, click on this one, and use the global UCS. Now you see here how you can change and copy and check the alignment incorrectly. Yeah, at the bottom it working perfectly. See here. Wow. Okay, now let's continue to apply the steer connection between the raster and the Purlin. Now I use the conceptual. Okay, conceptual. Now I use this one is the start point here from this this point. So you can click on the structure view, connection view, and click on this once and change to the, you can use the double click or single click. Now use double click, page rows. Yes, this one is the two Purlin with bowl. Click on this one, click on the raster, right click on the Purlin, again click on the raster, right click on the Purlin, right click on the Purlin, right click. Now you see here we had to change it, structural part and the gap u2, and this is the Purlin source. You can change, and you the ball on one side, you in other side here. Okay, in the ball you can change it. Now I want to use the connection. I do not want to use this one. Select the raster, right click, select the Purlin, right click, select the Purlin, right click. Okay, now I change this one. I change it to Purlin with where structural, we change it to other side, one side. Okay, we change the direction here. And now you can change the other parameter bowl to section intermediate distance. We keep length. Bowl we use only 12. Now you can change it by using reinforcing or not. No, I do not want to use this one. Now we do the fold, you flip